If you want to know how you can fry your fish perfect, I recommend this video for you. Trust me, you will love it. And are you looking for a business to do? I recommend fried fish business for you. Yes, coming from me. You know, I've been telling you that I was once a fried fish seller. There's a lot of money in this, so give this a try. Okay, if today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, oh my goodness, do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free and you are going to love it here. Okay, so this is the fish we are going to use, and the name is Spanish mackerel. Okay, that is Spanish mackerel, and in Ghana we call it jasin or PS or panla. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and cut them as you are seeing on the screen. Cut it into the sizes that you want. Okay, then we can continue. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, I do appreciate your time here. I don't take it for granted. Okay, thank you so much. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others, and also please leave me some comments. I will be very, very happy. Now I'm just going to remove those intestine and then other things that I do not want to use, or I don't want. Okay, yes, if you don't want the head, please, you can discard it. And please, everything that I do not discard, I like it, so I don't want you to speak against it in the comment section, else I will come for you. That is just by the way. Yes, we are different people, and you don't expect people to like what you like, and I don't expect you to like what I like as well. Okay, so I like the head, even that is my favorite part. Do you get it? That is just by the way. I've added some salt. I washed it very well with my lemon juice off camera, and I added some salt with some natural herbs and spice, and now I'll go ahead and add my water to it. Then just allow it to stay in there for some few minutes. About 30 minutes later, this is how it looks. I'll just go ahead and strain the water from it, and then after straining it, this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and then heat my oil. Okay, heat the oil, and I have my flour here, that is all-purpose flour. Whatever flour you want to use, you can use. Okay, I mean either hard flour or soft flour, you can use it. And I seasoned it with some pepper, some natural herbs, and I've coated the fish with that. I'll go ahead and fry it since our oil is hot. So please just think about this. Okay, there's a lot of money in fried fish business. Trust me, you will come and thank me later. So after, when you are frying it, you make sure the oil is not hot, and it is not shouldn't be too low as well. Okay, so that you can get that perfect outcome that you are looking for. It shouldn't burn, and also the inside will not be ready. Okay, if the fire is high, the inside will not be ready, but it will burn. That is what I mean. Now I will flip it to the other side, and then we can continue. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at SB Mommy's Recipes. And if you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. You will love it there. Thank you so much. Now the fish is ready, but because I am still learning how to eat fish, I want it a bit dry so that I will be able to enjoy it. So when I was learning how to eat fish, okay, the part that I used to start eating fish was the fins, the tail, and the head. You know, when you fry it, it becomes very crispy, and because it wasn't wet, I wasn't feeling it as meat. I wasn't seeing it as meat. Okay, when it is wet like that or juicy like that, I see it as meat. Okay, so that is why I always keep those parts. I don't discard that, but maybe you will discard it. Do you get it? So you see, we are different people. I enjoyed those parts very well than the fish, because that is what I used to learn how to eat fish. So today I've told you the reason. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to eat well, take care of yourself, and I love you very much. Bye.